Welcome to Fair Dinkum Bike Tours, Australia's premier trail bike adventure specialist, located at Shed 7, 182 Mayor Street in Cairns. This is our custom built support vehicle, a Mitsubishi Canter dual cab, specifically made to our specifications, suspension modifications, able to carry passengers as part of the extended tours, the 5-day and the 8-day Cape York rides. These are our bikes that we use, Suzuki DRZ 400s, current models. We change them over every year. They've proved to be a very reliable bike, great for the rides, easy to use. Specific modifications that we do suspension setups, change the handlebars, bark busters, bash plates, change the gearing, run different tyres, set the carburetor up. Proved a very good bike, particularly for a hire situation. You are able to bring your own bike as part of the tour. Some of the numerous articles that have been written about us. Australian Dirt Bike, Dirt Action, Trail Rider and Trail Zone magazines have all been part of our tour. Our workshop facilities, where we maintain all the bikes. We provide riding gear as well. So if you don't have riding gear, we can provide that as part of the tour, no extra cost. On the extended rides, the 5 and the 8-day rides, we provide all the camping gear, all meals, fuel, accommodation, park fees, guides. That's all included as part of the deal. So if you want to come along and join us on one of our adventures, please contact our office on 07 40 536 999 or 0412 950 192. Thank you very much.